11, followed by the assistant school pupil leader T. Harni from grade 11. They are being followed by the sports captain V. Vikram and assistant sports captain M. Kanishka from grade 11. Is indomitable Cheras. You can watch the Cheras walk with the chins up. The Cheras house is being led by the house captain Sribhasham from grade 9 and vice captain Haripriya from grade 9. Look at their resilience and hard work and their unity. They display their perseverance in exorbitance with their heads up and eyes straight, looking forward with hope. Courageous Cholas, led by the house captain Chandrika and vice captain Tanishka from grade 9. Hope everybody here is glancing the majestic parade by the Cholas. They are really courageous and that is evident from their coordination, crispness in their movements and perfectness. Keep marching. The valiant Pandas with the spirit of sportsmanship. The house is being led by the house captain Hamshini from grade 9 and vice captain Vaishali from grade 9. We can very well notice their hard work, synchronization and team spirit as they march past us with a superior display of their march past skills. And vice captain Harshavardhan from grade 9. They exhibit their collaboration with each other and elegance as a team. They walk with the pride of marvelousness.